Hi Year 10s, welcome to another very quick video for our measurement topic, which this one is area. So what you need here is in your booklet that you have, or the one that's been posted on Google Classroom, is you need these. And these, so when I'm talking about these, I'm talking about these guys. These are our formulas for area of different shapes. So you're going to need them to be helpful for anything. And if you don't remember them off by heart. Okay, so now I've got here, so it says, find the area of these basic shapes, correct to 2 decimal places where needed. So some of them, like circles, are going to have decimal places. So if I look at my first one here, this is a trapezium. Okay, and to get the area of this, I need the formula half times A plus B times my height. So A and B are the tops of the trapezium. So this is A and this is B. Okay, and our height is the part here in the in our trapezium. So now, if I write this again, I'm going to go half times 3 plus 5, and then I'm going times 2. Okay, so 3 plus 5 is 8. Half, so then we're going to have half times 8 times 2. Okay, half of 8 is 4. 4 times 2 gives me 8. Then I'm going to be using centimetres. And then squared because we're working with area. And that is the straightforward way of finding the area of a trapezium. Now our next one here is a triangle. Okay, so this one is half times base times height. Now, for triangles, it doesn't matter if we get the base and the height mixed up. Okay, so we can have them either way, you still get the same answer. So here though, my base is down the bottom of my triangle, and my height is up here. Okay, so I'm going to go half times 3.3 times 5.8. Now, if you don't remember, a half is 0.5 in your calculator. That just makes some of this a little bit easier. So we're going to go half times 3.3 times 5.8. Put that in your calculator, and we get 9.57. Then it's meters squared. Okay, no rounding required there because it went straight to 2 decimals already. And that is area of a triangle. Okay, now we've got a circle, which I hope you recognise off by heart. Okay, so area of a circle is pi r squared. Now with this one here, we were given the diameter instead of the radius. To get the radius, you just halve it. So r equals 1.06 divided by 2. Which gives us 0.53. So that is now our radius. Because if you try and do it with a diameter, it doesn't work. It gives you a really, really wrong answer. So now we're going to have area equals pi times 0.53 squared. Chuck that in your calculator. Okay, so pi times 0.53 squared gives us 0.88247 and so on and so on. Now, our question said to 2 decimal places. So I'm going to look here and it's going to be 0.8. I'm going to look at this guy here and go, okay, if it's between 0 and 4, my 8 before it stays the same. But if it was higher, it was 5 or higher, my 8 would become a 9. But because it's a 2, I'm an 8 here. Okay? Now, this one was in kilometres, so I'm going to have kilometres squared. And that is how we find area of 2D shapes. Thank you.